Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your LinkedIn profile to your resume step by step clearly. Begin by opening your LinkedIn profile in a web browser. Log into your account if you haven't already. Navigate to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture or the Me icon. On your profile, locate the More button, which is usually found near your profile picture. Click on the More button to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Save to PDF from the options provided. Your LinkedIn profile will now generate a PDF file. Once the PDF is ready, it will automatically download to your device. Next, open the downloaded PDF file to check its contents. Ensure that all sections of your LinkedIn profile are accurately reflected. If any information is outdated or incorrect, go back to LinkedIn to edit your profile. Make the necessary adjustments and save your changes. Return to the More button and repeat the process to save an updated PDF. With your PDF file ready, open your resume document in your preferred word processor. Navigate to the section where you would like to integrate your LinkedIn details. You may choose to include your LinkedIn URL or paste relevant information directly from the PDF. If you opt for the URL, highlight the text where you want to add the link. Right-click and select Hyperlink or use the Hyperlink option in your toolbar. Paste your LinkedIn profile URL in the provided field and confirm the action. Ensure the formatting of your resume remains consistent after adding the link. Save your updated resume document. Finally, review your entire resume to ensure all information is cohesive and professionally presented. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.